Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to find out which devices are connected to your Pinterest account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest way to view your connected devices list on Pinterest using your PC. With Pinterest's recent updates, the process is more straightforward than ever. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account details. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Security. Click on it to access your security options. This is where Pinterest helps you keep your account safe and secure. Now, here's the important part. Inside the security section, you'll see an option called Show Sessions. Click on Show Sessions, and Pinterest will display a list of all the devices that are currently connected to your account. This includes any phones, tablets, or computers that have been used to log in. Take a moment to review the list. You'll see information like the device type, the location, and the time of the last activity. If you notice any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, you can easily log them out from this page. Just click the option to remove or log out of any suspicious sessions to keep your account secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to find and manage the list of connected devices on Pinterest using your PC. Keeping an eye on your active sessions is a simple but powerful way to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.